Hello viewers, welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to bypass Windows 11 setup. Let's connect to a network problem 100% solved. Let's begin. First of all, press Ctrl Shift F10. Then open CMD. Then type TASKMGR. Open Task Manager. Now we are close network connection flow in tags. Click in tags. Then you are showing off your network connection. Then retry. That's not working. No tension. We are retype task manager bypass network. Then type double OBE backslash bypass SNRO. Bypass NRO, then press enter. Now we are looking your laptop or PC, restarting. We have Windows 11 logo showing. Then we can see I don't have internet, and click continue with limited internet. Now your PC is ready to set up. Thank you.